What's up, you guys? Eddie here, Fliptroniks. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the split screen feature on the Nokia 7.2. Alright, so I've always been a fan of split screening because it allows you to multitask and do two things at once. Now, it is a little bit tricky at first to figure out how to use this, but all you need to do is have some kind of like recent apps open. Alright, so as soon as you do that, you're going to be able to scroll through and, for example, let's just put it on Amazon. Alright, so let's say you want to do some shopping, right? You see they have these little app icons at the top of your recent apps. What you want to do is tap on it, and then you're going to see the app info and then the split screen option. So what you need to do is click on that, and then as soon as you've done that, you can now browse and find something else that you might want to open with it. Let's just do YouTube as an example. So like, let's say that I'm shopping on Amazon, but I want to do some whatever. I want to do some video watching. Maybe I want to watch a new movie trailer or something like that, or I just want to watch a music video. You can do that at the same time. So this will actually work in both portrait and landscape, so you can kind of see it like that. It's pretty sweet, right? You can also adjust the split screen. If you want to make one screen a little bit smaller than the other, you can do that. And then of course, if you want to get rid of the split screen, all you got to do is make it go down, and then you've basically got rid of it. Now, I will tell you right now that it does not work for everything. For example, like if you want to play a game, maybe while you're watching something on YouTube, most games don't work on split screening, but just like normal apps, like shopping apps in YouTube works with most. The Play Store also works. But anyways, that's how you do it, guys. Just a little tip for this phone, because I've only been using it for about a week, doing a lot more with it. We're also gonna have a lot more gaming videos coming out. Please hit that like and share on this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.